Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today I would like to discover these adhesive sparkles with you. And yes guys, as you can see, they come with this very luxurious texture, and yes, all of you guys can definitely appreciate it and put it on a variety of different applications. You can also cut it out to the desired style as well. And yes, as you can see, it is completely stick on. You can apply it to your car, you can apply it to your outfits, you can create a variety DIY projects with these, decorate gifts or party favors like this. So it definitely is a great quality. I feel like they're attached very strong. As you can see, I'm scratching it with my nail, and yes, I feel like it's also actually doesn't have an odor, which is something I experienced with pieces before. And yes, it seems to be quite strong. It adhered to my skin. So yes, definitely check it out. Cannot wait to start creating.